Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. We have learned how to create the report in Microsoft Excel. In this video we will learn how to create the report using this report wizard option. So click here. See here we can select the fields which we want to include in our report, right? Also here you can see the table. Right now we have only one table. Let me select all these fields. Now click on next. You can also set the priority for any field. Like in this case we can set the priority so that it can sorted city wise. Let me select the city field as priority. See, it will be sorted as city wise, right? Then next, here we can select the different fields in ascending order. You can simply click on next if you don't want to select the field, but let me show you. We can select this ID in ascending order. Also we can select the name. So basically we can select the 4 field here, right? In ascending or descending order, right? Now click on next. Here we have the different layouts. We can select any of these layouts and we can select the position, the orientation of the page, right? And see, this is checked. Adjust the field width so all field fit on a page, right? Now click on next. Click on finish. And see, this is the new report created. But this report is not perfect. So what we will do? We will adjust this report. Right click and choose this layout view option. Now adjust the layout. Reduce the size. Now you can see the all record, right? But still the record is not showing properly, so we will adjust this record. In this way we can adjust. Let me change the page orientation. Go to page setup option and select the landscape layout. Now we can adjust this layout, right? So in this way we can adjust. Also we can adjust the alignment here like this. See, in this way we can adjust the alignment. Now I think it is fine. I think all fields are showing properly, right? Further you can adjust. Now see, in this way we can create the report. Let me show you here in print preview. See, this is the report we created, right? Also we can create a new button for print preview. Let me show you here. Choose this button option, create a new button and choose this report operations. Select this section, preview report, click on next, then again next. See, this is the button created for print preview, right? Now let me show you how it works. Go to form view. Now click on this button. See, this button showing the print preview of the report. Again let me show you. Click here on this button. See, it is showing the print preview of the report. So that's all for this video. In this video we learned how we can create the reports using this report wizard option, and we learned that how we can create the button for preview of the print. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you very much.